What if I told you your salary, yes, your current paycheck, is enough to make you wealthy? Not after a promotion, not after you win the lottery. Right now. Sounds impossible? Think again. Most people look at their salary and see limitations. Bills, expenses, a never-ending cycle of earning and spending. But what if you could break free? What if your salary is the key to unlocking wealth? If you just know how to use it? Let's dive in. First, stop thinking about your salary as just income. Think of it as your most powerful wealth-building tool. Every dollar you earn is a soldier in your personal army, ready to fight for your financial future. But only if you command them wisely. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Before the rent, before the groceries, before Netflix or that morning coffee, set aside a piece of your paycheck. Automate it, even if it's just 10%. Why? Because if you wait to save what's left, there's never anything left. The wealthy don't save what they don't spend. They spend what they don't save. Imagine, every pay period, money moves from your salary to your savings. No hesitation, no excuses. Over months and years, these small, steady deposits grow. Compound interest kicks in. Your money begins to work for you. It's silent, powerful, and relentless. But saving isn't enough. Step 2. Invest. Don't just let your savings sit in a low-interest account. Put your money to work. Stocks, index funds, real estate, retirement accounts. Start small, but start now. The earlier you invest, the longer your money has to multiply. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. The wealthy aren't just savers, they're investors. Think about this. If you invest just $200 a month, starting in your 20s, and get an average return of 7%, you could have over $500,000 by retirement. That's just from your salary, no windfalls, no magic, just discipline and time. And here's where it gets interesting. Step 3. Slash unnecessary expenses. Every dollar you waste is a dollar you could be investing. Audit your spending. Do you really need 5 streaming services? That daily takeout? The latest gadget? Each small cut is a victory for your future self. Don't deprive yourself. Optimize. Find joy in watching your investments grow, not your possessions pile up. The wealthy aren't cheap, they're strategic. Step 4. Increase your income. Intelligently. Use your salary as a launchpad. Seek promotions, learn new skills, take side gigs, but don't just earn more to spend more. Earn more to invest more. That's how you accelerate wealth. Consider this. Every bonus, every raise, every side hustle, treat it like a windfall. Before lifestyle inflation creeps in, channel it straight into investments. Watch how fast your wealth snowballs. Step 5. Protect your wealth. The journey doesn't end at earning and investing. Insurance, emergency funds, smart tax planning. The wealthy don't just grow their money, they guard it. One medical emergency or unexpected event can wipe out years of progress. Be prepared. Sleep well at night, knowing you're covered. Now let's talk mindset. Wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about habits. Consistency beats intensity. The secret isn't some hidden stock tip or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's the boring, relentless discipline of paying yourself first, investing regularly, spending wisely, and protecting what you build. Don't be fooled by flashy cars or expensive clothes. True wealth is invisible. It's freedom. It's choices. It's waking up each day knowing your salary is building a future you control. Still think your salary isn't enough? Let me ask you, how many people do you know who earn much more than you yet struggle financially? The problem isn't the paycheck, it's the plan or lack of one. Your salary can make you wealthy, not because it's huge, but because you use it with purpose. So what's stopping you? Fear, doubt, procrastination? Let them go. Start today. Set up that automatic transfer. Open that investment account. Cancel that unused subscription. Ask for that raise. Protect your future. Don't wait for more money. Make more from the money you already have. Wealth isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's built by those who take action, day after day, paycheck after paycheck. Remember, every wealthy person you admire started somewhere. They made choices, they built habits. They used their salary not as a limitation, but as a foundation. So, can your salary make you wealthy? Absolutely. But only if you decide to take control. The journey won't always be easy. There will be setbacks, temptation, even failures. But the results, they're life-changing. Imagine a future where money is no longer a source of stress, where your investments grow while you sleep, where opportunities come to you, not because you're lucky, but because you planned for them. That future starts today, with your next paycheck, with your next decision. Don't let your salary slip through your fingers. Command it, invest it, grow it, protect it. Wealth is waiting for you. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this message, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more life-changing content to you. Now go out there and make your salary work for you. Your wealthy future is closer than you think.